Pratap Singh from BVM, Birla Vidya Mandir, Nainital.
And I, Samad Goel.
Today we are going to explain you a project on Air Canvas. It is made by Python. As you can see that we have used many modules, 4 modules in it. CV2 for using camera, and NumPy, Medipipe, and collection are different modules which are used on different levels of the project. As you can see here that we have different colors defined here: blue, green, red, and yellow. We have defined these colors in the Python program by creating different functions, and we have also created a clear function. As you can see, like here, it can detect my and find the coordinates of my hand. If I go to clear, the canvas will be cleared. If I go to blue, the ink will be selected to the blue, like this. Now see that I got green, now it will be green. Yellow, now it will be yellow. It is defined by the code that camera is tracing our hands, that where our hand is going. If our hand touches the red, it changes to red ink. If changes to different colors according to our hand positions. And if we go to clear, the canvas is clear.